Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about BitLife, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial how I found in this mod, which unlocked everything inside of the game, guys. I got God Mode, I got Bitizen ship, I have, I don't know, golden passport, time machine, everything unlocked, guys. I'm going to show you immediately right now. As you can see, I have so much money also I did with this, and I have, for example, in themes, as you saw it over here, I have Go Superstar. I did it, and just going to exit just to show you a bit more. For example, you can immigrate in every country. You have golden passport, as you can see, or you can time machine. Oops, sorry, time machine over here. You can choose the years. I will do just 1 year just to show it to you guys. As you can see, my money dropped because I got 1 year back. Or for example, you have the God mode, as you can see right over here. If you want to edit them, edit appearance attributes, for example, as you can see. And I'm going to show you guys step by step that how you can get this mod. Also, it works for the both devices, guys, iOS and Android. And I already tested also in my iPhone, but right now I'm recording with it, so I cannot show you the steps with it. But if you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, just let me know in the comments below, guys, and I'm going to do a tutorial also for the iOS users, okay? And but as I mentioned before, the steps are the same for the both of devices, so I don't think you're gonna face any problem. But the same steps are working for the both of devices. Okay, so I'll not lose too much time, guys. I will go immediately to show you how you can get this mod. Okay, so all you need to do, guys, you just need to make sure you're gonna have good connection with internet. So it will be good if you get connected with Wi-Fi and also mobile data, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. Okay, and then all you need to do for the both devices, iOS and Android, you just need to go straight to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer. You just need to type the name of the website I'm going to focus for you guys, and you just enter inside of this website. And in the moment you log into the main page, you just scroll it down to the searching bar, search about the game. Okay, here it is, and then you just need to press in the middle, then press the green sign to download, and then you just need to wait a couple of seconds the whole process to be done. It will take about 30 seconds or something less, and by the end of this process you're going to be able to install the mod and play it as you want after. Okay, guys, so this is my video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.